My name is Ariel Scott, and at Precision, my official title is the Case Resolution Compliance Manager. I've been with the company about 6 years, and there's stories that definitely impact us and keep you pushing and doing this work. And I remember I had a client who was self-employed, was a consultant, worked for these big firms doing safety trainings, and so had significant income. And then he had a stroke. And it just threw his life completely off course. That year he didn't file. His wife had never worked a job. She'd never touched a tax return. It didn't even dawn on her to do it. So fast forward 3 years and they're just all out of sorts. And so we were able to not only get him compliant, we did settle the debt for him for considerably less than what he owed. And then they became our tax clients year over year. And so almost 2 years later, his wife called me and said that he had passed away, which is hard in and of itself, but she's in tears and she's thanking us, like, if you hadn't taken care of this, all that debt would have been mine and it wouldn't have been resolved and I'd still be dealing with it. What I would say to someone who hasn't filed taxes or owes, they're not talking about it. You are that person who you've attached that feeling of, whether it's shame or just that feeling of helplessness. It is a big deal and it is something that needs to be addressed, but it's just like you wouldn't try and eat an elephant in one bite. We like to break things down and just take it one bite at a time so that these what feel to be insurmountable tasks or insurmountable liabilities really are manageable. It's just taking it in an incremental fashion and taking one task at a time, making it manageable and having the right people to guide you through that. And I think we do a fantastic job of meeting our clients where they are, making it manageable and understandable, relatable, and getting them to the other side where you're not waiting for the other shoe to drop constantly. You're not waiting for something to happen. You're in control, you're taking action, and you can really take that first deep breath that you haven't maybe in a long time.